In the Telangana State Legislative Assembly, the government announced a significant increase in the budget allocation for minority welfare for the fiscal year 2024 to 25. The budget has been raised to 3,003 crore rupees, up from 2,195 crore rupees in the previous year, marking a 36% increase. Presenting the budget, Finance Minister Bhatti Vikramarka Mallu emphasized the importance of protecting minority rights as a key factor in the state's overall development. He highlighted that the government is providing educational coaching for minority students similar to the support given to students from scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and backward classes. Additionally, a stipend has been proposed for students, 5,000 rupees for non-local students and 2,500 rupees for local students. He also mentioned that the government had spent 33 crore rupees for this year's Ramadan celebrations and 4.43 crore rupees for Hajj pilgrimages. Earlier in the year, 2.4 crore rupees was released for the Tablighi Jamaat meeting. The overall budget for Telangana this year is 2.91 lakh crore rupees with an estimated revenue of 2.90 lakh crore rupees, including over 57,000 crore rupees from open market loans. The capital expenditure for the year is projected to be 33,487 crore rupees. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.